My name is Chris Cosentino. We are here in beautiful Napa Valley at the Acacia House. This particular dish is Kombu roasted Wagyu Coulotte with angry prawns and sauteed romaine. Wow moment. Wow moment. Coulotte, rump cap. There's a million named picanha if you cut it and do it in a churrascaria. Take kombu sheets and I just wrap the whole coulotte in kombu. Tie it and let it sit for 7 days minimum. It can go multiple days. The longer it goes, the more it's going to change. It's amazing what the kombu does to it in such a short period of time. What we're doing is your kombu has umami, it has natural salt, but it also creates an enzymatic reaction within the muscle to naturally break it down. So you're having the aging process and then the kombu working together to create a much more tender muscle and a much more rich depth of flavor. I love the actual fat cap on it. I think it has great mouthfeel when it's roasted properly. A lot of times people like to trim it off. They just want to serve a straight up lean cut, right? And you can do that because it has a lot more intermuscular marbling. But roasting it with its fat cap on properly allows the fat from the cap to render through the muscle. That's fried diavolo, or from the devil. It's a mix of habaneros, serranos, like 5 types of dried chilies. Anthony, can I have a half cap decaf non-fat soy latte? I'd like soy sprinkles. I want soy sprinkles like this. Soy bay. Coulotte is in a unique shape, and that has to be taken into account when roasting it, because you're going to have a thicker end and then you're going to have a narrower end. And this is why I really love doing it as the whole coulotte to share with a large group, because then you don't have to worry about, I like mine well done, I like mine medium well, I like mine medium, because by roasting it whole, you're going to have the whole variety of temperatures. Almost. All right, we're going to do this. Angry prawns. The thing about surf and turf is, when I grew up, it was always like the grandpa got the surf and turf, and they sure as hell weren't willing to share. So to be able to take the coulotte, roast it in kombu, to accentuate the ocean, to build more umami and depth, then serve it with angry prawns, the angry sauce, you know, if you're Italian, you can call it fried diavolo, from the devil, because it's smoky, it's spicy, and it's grilled, and it's charred. But the key of having that balance to cut the richness of the coulotte and all that umami fat that has rendered through the meat, really gives you a whole different level of a shareable version of surf and turf. That's gonna rest. And then just such a simple thing as sauteed romaine hearts with a little garlic and mint. We're cutting with acid, we're cutting with freshness and spice, but at the same time, we're accentuating the Wagyu with the kombu. When you look at food from a bigger perspective, conviviality is a powerful thing. Think about having hot pot or going to Korean barbecue. It's sharing and working together to create a meal. In every culture, we have those things. I want food to elicit a conversation that has long-lasting appeal, but also it gives a taste memory, because those conversations help create new taste memories.